Okay, now that you're done putting all of the latch rail screws in the door and you did all of the hinge screws in the door, we're going to open the door and also do all of these interior jam screws for the Larson trade winds. There's going to be about 8 of those. Now the door is in the opening and it is perfectly secured. It's time to move on to putting on the trim strips. These trim strips cover the screw heads and give it a nice finished look. Like I said in the last video, on these trim strips, there's a fat side and a thin side. This fat side here goes towards the outside of the door. So this trim strip will actually be installed like this. Fat side goes to the outside, thin side goes to the inside. And you just kind of snap it into place like that. It's all pressure set. So start out at the top and work your way down to the bottom.